In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio on, select Files. Now to locate your file, you can tap on one of those apps, hit Audio at the top, or select those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video on though, you can click on Gallery section here, or select this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now look for your video here, and tap on it to attach it. If you can't find it though, you can always click on this icon of a folder at the bottom right corner. Look for it here, and tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!